Okay, so we're going underneath the tunnel here. We're gonna go to the Hoover Dam. And this is the dam where Optimus Prime and Bumblebee and Megatron came. Was the first. We're gonna go see if Megatron's still there.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's an Autobot right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is where the American flag is planted. However, there's no air to wind to fly the flag. Okay. These towers are pretty cool. And they won't let us go onto those towers right there. But look at this, guys. Oh, that's pretty steep in there. Look at that.
Yeah, don't put your phone over it.
I know. Okay, guys, so this is where we are. See the background, it's pretty cool. There are two towers right here. Okay, and then there's another tower, set of towers over there. And we were thinking that when Optimus Prime and everybody was talking, I think they were over there somewhere. They're talking about Ironhide. Oh no, talking about Bumblebee, right? And Ironhide and Jazz, was it? And Optimus Prime were talking about Bumblebee over there. And we don't know where they hid Megatron. But it's pretty cool. Hey. Okay, so this is the part where Optimus Prime and his two friends are talking. Yes. Look at that.
Autobots,
Woohoo!
roll out.
Oh, this is where Jimmy Olsen fell into the dam. Wait, what? Yeah, so this is the shot where Jimmy Olsen fell in and Superman flew up here and rescued Jimmy Olsen. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are here in the center of the dam, and so it looks like down here. I would love to show how it feels like to drop down there by dropping my phone down and then get back.
Put that on YouTube so later.
Yeah. So
I wonder if anybody has done that.
this person would do it. If they drop the phone, you'll get the first-hand experience, but you'll never recover the phone back ever. So I won't do that for you.
Yeah, you want to do that on YouTube then.
Yeah. Okay. So I think they encased Megatron in this labyrinth of thick Yeah, I think they had some shops down there. And also Superman. Yeah, Superman, yeah. Remember Superman Part 1? Oh. Yeah, he came down there and he was helping some people down there. And he rescued Jimmy Olsen from over there.
I don't remember that.
Somewhere. Yeah, somewhere here. And then if you go down the river, he toppled a mountain onto the river to stop the water flow. Two little towns. Yeah.
But in reality, there's no town down there.
Oh, wow.
There's no town down there.
I see. And that's the wall, the China Wall, the Great Wall of China right there. No, just kidding. Okay, so this is what we discovered here. If you look at here, it says Arizona time. So if you are on this side, of the river, of the dam, you are on Arizona time.
Yeah, that's a big
And
fish too.
if you are on the other side of the tower there, you are on Nevada time. So on this side, it is actually an hour difference from that side. So you can actually travel in time. From walking over there to here, you either increase your time or decrease your time 1 hour. So that's that. Okay, so this is the spot, guys. If you stand on this side, this is Nevada time. If you stand on this side, it's Arizona time. So here I am, when I put my hands here, I am in both times. Yes. And this is where you can be in 2 time zones at the same time. Okay, so that's our tour of the Hoover. Next time we're probably gonna see if we can get a tour to go down. I don't know if we could, but I'm gonna come back with the family